Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly set up Web Map Service, Web Feature Service, Web Coverage Service and XYZ Tiles in QGIS. In general, these services allow us to access online maps and data directly from official servers. They help us visualize information without downloading large files. A Web Map Service streams map image from a server. You don't download the data, you only view it. In my case, I'm going to load the Cadastre Web Map Service and the PNOA orthophotos. To do this, I go to the website where the service links are published, copy the URL, and then in QGIS I open the Data Source Manager. In the Web Map Service section, I click on New, give it a name, paste the URL and click OK. After that, I can load the layers from the Data Source Manager or directly from the Browse panel. Now let's talk about the Web Feature Service. A Web Feature Service gives us access to vector features and you can copy or export them for our projects. To load it, I follow the same steps. Find the URL, create a new connection and load the layer. Next, the Web Coverage Service. A Web Coverage Service provides continuous raster data like terrain, slope or surface models. It also allows us to download only the area we need. Finally, XYZ Tiles. These are tile-based map services similar to online-based maps. In my case, I already have a file with several XYZ connections. To load them, I go to the browser panel, right-click on XYZ Tiles, choose Load Connections and import the ones I want. With all of this, my QGIS is now set up with all these services. Hope you like it and see you in the next video.